BLECHEXPO 2019, Stuttgart, at the WEBER stand. First of all, Manuel, what are you known for? What type of machines?
We are known for deburring machines and extruder machines. These are all units. And in the last years, especially in this year, we have a change. We want to go in the future. So we're looking for future businesses like this is robotic and automation.
So this is being launched in January 2020?
This is launched this year.
Okay.
It's our first exhibition in this year for in the metal industry.
In the metal industry, what were you doing before then? So just plastics and things like that?
No, we have also the wood industry. Because for deburring and grinding machines, we have two main business. It's wood and it's also a metal.
Okay. So what is this machine actually doing here then? Because this is a new system for you.
Yeah, it's a very new system. We started 2 years ago, and this year in January we started our new unit. And also, we looked for the benefits for our customers. The benefits for our customers will be that there is no robotic skills needed anymore, and also, the teaching is very automatically. So you only have to put the start button, and then the teaching will run itself.
Okay, so one end you'll have a grinding machine, deburring, laser cutter, so different components coming through?
Yes, right. The main benefit will be also when you have different charges. So it's easy to handle with this system. Before you have to look for the robotic handling, you need the geometry, look for learning the part, finding the right pick point. And this was a hard process and not so easy for everyone. And this system will be easy for everyone, for every worker, and so it's a good benefit for every customer for our side.
It's so easy because there's a high-tech camera inside the system, is that correct?
Yeah, right. It's a high-tech system, a high-tech camera in the system, and a special software which is generated by WEBER also. And together, the geometry and all holes and everything will be detected. The gravity will be calculated, and the best pick point will be calculated on itself, on the software. So nothing is done by the workers.
So you don't need to do any program, you just put the thickness of the component?
Yes, the thickness of the component you have to put in, and the name.
Right.
But on the single system, when you will connect it to the system before, it's just not necessary anymore.
Okay, so you've done your programming, essentially just putting in a name, material, it'll run those through the conveyor belt, pick them and stack them the most efficient way?
Yes, right. Of course, with the customers we have to talk before what is his requirements. So which line, if he wanted sorted, unsorted, the place on the pallet, everything is free. This is only the will of the customer.
Okay, so that's it. So really, no manual intervention, very easy to program, very fast, very efficient?
Completely.
Okay. So what happens if a component comes through and it's not correct though?
Yeah, components which are not correct, the system will recognize and will go down to the slide and not palletize it.
There you go, nice and simple there. So that's Manuel from WEBER. Component handling, thank you very much.
Thank you very much also.